Kanglei Mind Gym channel asibu chanbiduna subscribe tawbiyo amadi anova motivational videos kaya ama leptana yengbina naba bell icon asibu nambiyo natte nanga pamise kenom taro natte nanga mind ke tawba ba mira baise yare phone do thamo Good morning, buddies. Ahan mamagtada Kanglei Mind Gym iyeng tabiri bu khwai khibi pumna mukpu adom gi marup ningthem salam na ikok no kurumzari. So friends, today we're going to be talking about a very common problem that absolute everyone is facing. Mipung kudim ang thengnari ba adugumba common problem amagi matangda ngasigi episode asi yumpham oizabani. Hairiba problem asa mioy amadana khazikang yawi mioy madana yamna yawi mioy amana magi body language ki through the express tawi kanagum kharana words ki through the wahi ki through the express tawi kanagum kharana express sutok to david manung de namsal laga thamba yawi. Yes buddies, I'm talking about anger. Aina hairiba common problems sa asaw bahay ba pot sini Kantao daba mitkupta second amagi asawa aduna mitkup amagi asawa aduna it can ruin your whole life. Nang sangkraba punsi da ruin to bangami manghan bangami. It can ruin relationships. Father ga son ga gi marakta leiriba or daughter ga gi marakta leiriba mother ga daughter ga gi marakta or mother ga son ga gi marakta leiriba and husband and wife ki marakta leiriba relationship or friendship ki relationship or boss amaga employee amaga ki marakta leiriba relationship. It can ruin any kind of relationships. Marupsa, before proceeding, I would like to ask a question. How many of you get angry? Isani sabu saugale haidana kanzabra. And you know sometimes akoina ohiningi ba potano oiraktaba matam thoganingi ba mawng adura thogaktaba matam or kanagumba amana somda karekpa matamda you know you're feeling like your blood is boiling up and your adrenaline starts reacting and you're going to be Hulk very soon. Does anybody feel like that? Then you're absolutely lying. You're a very good liar. You're knowingly or unknowingly you're lying. Yeah. You're lying. That's it. And by this, I'm not trying to hypnotize you. I'm not going to do that. But I'm saying this on the basis of a fact. Because you are intentionally making yourself angry. You know, anger, it's not like toilet. It's not like number 1 or number 2. It's, you know, it's intentional. Come on guys, it's not a nature's call, right? You know, anger is just like dance. You know, I could dance to bokning we may feel like dancing, but you know, it depends on us. Is always sage, pungama sage, pungani sage, pung taret sage, pung tara sage, or a saning de isarege. It depends on us, right? So it's just like anger. You know, dance is just like anger, and anger is just like dance. If you want, then we do it. If we don't, then we don't do it, right? It's not number 1 or number 2. It's not toilet. It's not nature's call. Confused? Okay, let me start the situation. I could school chali, college chali, university chali, and you know, some of us have jobs, right? So I could job to rin kalas, and sometimes I could office I could superior officer sina. Masa yumdagi magi no piga kara argument ga tawna ga lakuzane ko. So akoina office ka si yobo matam you know mana maramam ta leite nang adu to bala to ya bla 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 ekta sai dhara eba. For example, say that in a sigi situation sida mayam kai do bigane this should not happen again kaina bostura tawgadra natragana collar ka paira ga ekta thindoi tawgadra natragana saugadra ba khoi sauroi ko kaidoni man ngang po matamdra khoi lande has isana khangi bane adu khoi situation sida kamaina tackle dogane khoi situation sida kari tawgane khoi tumina non tharaga taraga legane ba am I right suksoi shuidana taraga legane khoi and hairi banu pasi yum hale som som si yum hale aduga som gi icha ani leire na khalase som hek yum hek yobaga icha atom basina kapaga la ba da na ngon phuri ba kain tawre na khalase ko adugi situation dir som ke tone nasai gi ayuk tagi boss na or ai superior officer do na ingon da cherak pagi khoirang khuisau na ba mayam do ai icha nu pa handu ekta phudharane ba ine ekta chaidharane ekta sandharane ba chai pairaga icha nu pa atom baduna kappaga la ga ingon da haibe do ma machin thidri ra or asengba kari no kari dagi horei no kari na phuri bino mana lam helu bagira akoi kem thiroi ba ekta changjel laga chumran thira kai phudharane ba so friends masigi situation sidagi akoina kari derive to ba yare kari khangba yare ngasai ayu ai boss tuna maram amata leitabida ingon cherak matam du dadi ai shawpham thoi sawba matik chai sawsu sawningi bani adu ai asawdo phongdokhibra ai sawkhibra sawkhide maram di karigino matam du da ina sawru taragadi ai gi mangjaba khara soidana lei ai chei chaba yai or even ai gi thabuk tatpa yai adubo ai gi yumda hala kandadi ichanupa atomaduna baba dada nengon da phui haiba matam da achum aran thidana ai gi asawbo punamak to phongdo aga ai sauki ai gi ichanupa handu ra ina phuki matang du ra gi mangjaba se karin ai gi mangjaba amta leite ichanupa hando kappa yai sauba yai nga adu masida ai gi mangjaba karin thoidok na leite so now it is quite obvious that we don't get angry but we make ourselves angry situation na sakhini aigi saugadabu matamdu dana aina sabu fatha zaraga thamkre ai saukhide saubai se mathanda lakhide sauninge haidana aina saubai sauningde haidana aina saudaba yai situations but the irony of human being is that equine sorry we say mathanda sorpani haidana equine lowe but it is quite wrong situation duna sakhini aduna marupsa the only way to solve this problem is to accept the fact that you yourself make yourself get angry you don't get angry but you yourself make yourself get angry Solve have said it's not like toilet as I have said earlier it's not like number one it's not like number two it's not in nature's call but it is something that you yourself make intentionally karigumba aikoina solve have what's the matanda lakpa pot ni haine low taragadi like number one and number two and number two adu taragadi we have no control over it I could control the layer because matan lakpa nature's call means it's something that we cannot control right but kariguma equina accept obutaragadi that it is something that we make have the assault webs equina same many equina sauge haraga saw poni haina equina masigi flexible accept obutaragadi then we have control over it so let's accept the fact that anger is something that we intentionally make so why have a equina intentionally same equina sounding haidana saw poni mathanda lakpa it's not like toilet let's accept this fact aduna marupsa aroibida ina mayam gi mafam da thamjani ni bo wafam de mitkup amage asawba sina hai haina lokhiba asawba sina miyoi kaya gi punsibu manghan nabagi machak moire asawba haiba potse aikoina semba pot amasu oibana aikoina ngasidagi di aikoina semjai hairiba pot asibo accept tobuga loinana pot asigi mathakta aikoina control toduna ngasigi leiriba society asibo ngasigi leiriba samas asibo ngasigi leiriba world asibo amukke hena phaba mafam ama oihilasi haina ai mayang gi mafam da thamjage matang asida Kanglei Mind Gym gi episode number 5 how to control your anger loishinna bagi ayaba adu mayam gi mafam dagi adom gi marup ningthem salamna nizari loina na karigumba aigi video asibo mayam na nungsibiragadi pambiragadi amadi khajiktang oirabasu kanai haiduna lobiragadi suksoi shoidana like nambirau comment tobirau amadi share suksoi shoidana tobiyo amadi subscribe toba suko ko bigino thank you